Introducing the Oukitel W333 Pro. Unveiled with much anticipation, the robust device stands out with its 6.6-inch display safeguarded by a Gorilla Glass protection, complemented by reinforced corners that amplifies its outdoor-ready design, offering resistance against water, dust and drops. The standout feature of the W333 Pro is undoubtedly its massive 22,000 mAh battery, promising an impressive week-long endurance. Quick charging at the 33-watt ensures rapid charging, while the substantial battery capacity enables the smartphone to double as a power bank capable of outputting a 18-watt. Under the hood, the WP33 Pro is fueled by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, delivering exceptional performance, high working speeds, and seamless support for 5G mobile networks. Amplifying its outdoor functionality, the smartphone features mighty 136 decibel forceful rear loudspeaker, ideal for enjoying music in open spaces. For those intrigued by this innovative device, the official sales links below this video provides the opportunity to explore and order the W333 Pro. Stay tuned for a upcoming video review, as the Oukitel W333 Pro is set to land in our hand in the coming days. I'll be diving deep into its features and performance, so make sure to stay connected for an in-depth review. See you soon, bye.